Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, my dear friends and participant in my session of foreign exchange and banking, import export and all other activities in the foreign exchange department. I am your host Mukhtar Khan. This is my 51 session from my channel. First of all, I am very happy and glad to inform you that YouTube has approved my channel. I reached when I reached to 1148, my channel has been approved by them and received congratulation letter from YouTube. This is all because of your contribution, your share and your support to my channel. Indeed, I am very much thankful to you all of you who watched my video or not subscribe or subscribe. All of you are thankful. I am thankful to you people. Abroad or within the country, Pakistan or USA, Vietnam, Philippines, Russia and UK and rest of the countries of the world who watched my banking learning channel. For this I am very much thankful and appreciate your support. Okay. And I am in a very happy mood that I am a new YouTuber on the list of them. Overall, I will discuss the main point of foreign exchange from the book of Alasdair Watson. Chapter number 1, the principle of international trade and the role of London Financial Institute. Chapter number 1, which describe the role of London's financial institution. Introduction to international trade, export market, where to start, source of information, method of selling abroad, permission exporters may require, market condition. Number 7, risk assessment and decision making. Number 8, list of export services provided by bank. Introduction of London Financial Institution, the Bank of England, clearing banks, the overseas branches of a joint stock bank, merchant and investment bank, banking group, other technical institution, past examination question. You know, the book has 5 or 6 chapters, 10 chapters. The book has 9 chapters, you can see, and stage wise when my lecture of foreign exchange import export remittance is almost completed. I will revise from the book contents. Number one, chapter number 1, principle of international trade and the role of London's financial institution. Section number 1. Number 1, introduction to international trade. Number 2, export markets. Number 3, source of information. Number 4, method of selling abroad. Permission exporters may require. Market condition, risk assessment and decision of market, decision of list of exports provided by introduction of London financial institution. Number 7, risk assessment and decision of making. Number 8, list of export services. Number 9, introduction of London. Number 10, the Bank of England. Number 11, clearing banks. Number 12, the overseas branches, joint stock banks. Number 3, merchant and investment bank. Number 14, banking group. Number 15, other financial institution. 6 minutes have passed and we can describe you the only chapter and the subsection or 15 section and the chapter number 1. And each chapter will be discussed detail. Introduction of international trade. Okay. Dear friends, you must remember that you have to follow the all KYC, AML and prudential regulation to avoid Watapp and any bad experience or any mishappening in the country. Therefore, you must obey all the prudential regulation strictly to follow when you introduce or bring any customer into your branch. Therefore, you have to be very careful in this start of the beginning of the customerization or customer services. Right from the account opening is the iron gate of the bank. Therefore, we must care when the customer approach you to open their account. Okay. Now, introduction of international trade. The International Banking Diploma was introduced in 1995 and so on. Okay, you just next session you wait for. There are a lot of things and a lot of chapters and to unfold or to impart you or to inform you and get into our session. I will bring all the session stage wise. And today, chapter number 1 of Principle and International Trade and the role of London financial institution. And this with 15 points and 15 section or 17 page. In the next session, I will explain each and every line and every para of this chapter, and then I will go to second chapter of this book. Okay, thank you very much. You please subscribe my channel. Again, watch my video at least 2 or 3 minutes, 4 minutes, how much you can spare time for my channel, and try to learn and keep all the description of my each video. Preserve that description may help you to learn more and more things. If you 30% of my videos or my description learn or keep in your mind or read carefully, this will help you to go forward. As I again, for the new viewers, that I have 43-year experience of 9 leading banks of Pakistan and completed my diploma, banking diploma, DIBP and foreign exchange trading from UBL Staff College. I am thankful to you and thankful to UBL and all who watched and who viewed my video. I am very much thankful for this cooperation, and I hope you will support me in future and share my video to other friends who are interested. If no one is interested, then don't give it to those people. The banking learning people who want to learn banking, you may give to them to learn banking from step by step 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. And the 51 session will bring you a vast knowledge or some knowledge of banking and foreign exchange. Thank you very much. I am very much thankful to you. You people cooperated me and watched my session carefully and subscribed me or supported me for getting my target of YouTube 1000 subscriber. That's 30th of August. August 38 is my YouTube successful day of my life. So nice of you. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.